Well, good morning, guys. This morning came into the ranch and checked up with George, and we're going to be doing a little bit of work on this truck, but I got some time to kill, so I bought a couple of rolls of tint a while back, so I'm going to go ahead and try and see if I can get these bus windows tinted. Well, at least a few. I don't have that much tint, but I'm going to see if I can get some of these windows tinted real quick. They're already tinted. They're like a 35%. I'm going to go ahead and add a 20% over that. I don't want the windows to be too dark in some areas, so I'm going to try and see if I can get those done. And then later, I can go ahead and get the rest with a darker tint or maybe even black them out. But let me go ahead and get started, guys. Well, the tint that I bought is from O'Reilly's. It's a Gila or something like that, and it's a 20%. So let me go ahead and start doing this. Well, guys, I wish I could have gotten them darker, but I guess that'll have to be. I'm going to go ahead and do that one. Well, that one's already done. I'm going to do this one here. I'm going to do this one here and do that one there. So I'm going to get all these 4 windows done, and then I'm going to go ahead and we'll see if we can do that one. And then I'm going to come to this side. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. So I'm going to see if I can get all these 8 windows. So let me go ahead and continue, guys. Well, guys, there's another one. I do have a couple of little imperfections. You can see a little bit of light from the bottom line. I got one little rip on the paper right there, but this is not what I do, so I'm just basically trying to get this done. I'm gonna go ahead and continue, guys. If later I decide to have it professionally done, then they'll just go ahead and take that off and replace it. But for now, I just want to get these windows just a little bit darker. And I'm not sure if the 20% was the right choice. I still think it should be darker, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do that driver's side window. They had previously put tint on it. It is all purple. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that one. I'm going to use a razor blade and soapy water and just kind of get as much of that glue as I can off of it and see if I can retint that one real quick. I'm going to go ahead and do both. Guys, the tint is off the window. I could have done it the easy way. I could have put a plastic wet, moist, or got the tint wet, put a plastic back on there, and the sun would make that glue hot and I could just peel it off. It would have been easier, but it would take a little while. I just wanted to get this one done as quickly as I could, so I went ahead and did it the hard way. I scraped Well guys, the tint was kind of wrinkled up, so I couldn't use the other half for the front window. But I mean, it went from that to this, went from that purple looking plastic to that, and that window went from that to this. From like a bronze finish to a somewhat smoke finish.